Hi again, welcome to yet another video of a software tutorial. I'm Piyush and I work at Page Potato and we help startups with their website, content, outreach, SEO and overall digital marketing. Today we'll learn about Atomic Email Studio, which is an overall email management software by Atomic Softwares. Earlier we have done another video about Atomic Email Hunter, and now we'll see Atomic Email Studio, which is an overall email campaign management system, or you can say you can use for outreach as well. So let's see how this software works. I'll close my video and we'll switch to the software. I'm opening this software, and before let it open, and before it opens I'll also tell you what this software is about. So the software has overall 9 features in it, and these features are mail sender, so for sending the mails, list manager for managing the list of emails, subscription manager if you want to have a subscription box for your blogs, mail verifier to verify the email lists which you have collected, email hunter, it's a good one for which we have already done a video. This helps in extracting emails from the net or from your Outlook or from LinkedIn or from your Facebook, anywhere. It's a fabulous software. uh, Email logger, so it helps to gather emails from your local files on your computer. Newsgroup Explorer to extract email from newsgroups. WHOIS Explorer to get emails from the WHOIS data of the website owners. And web spiders are to is a software to collect emails from the websites you have visited. We'll see all these features in the software. This is the page you can go to in order to find more about this package. Let's switch to the software. So once you open the software, this is the dashboard of this software, and I'm opening a sample project. I'm using an unregistered version of this software, so there might not be all the functionalities active right now, but then I will explain you how each of the functionality works. So this is the dashboard. You can see there are mainly five bullet points and five aspects of this software. Importing email addresses, editing the mail list, the emails which you have edited, which you have extracted, sorry, you can edit them, and then verify email addresses. You can verify whether these email addresses are correct or not, and then send them a newsletter or send them an email. And the fifth point is measure email campaign effectiveness, and this will give you an analytics of how many emails have been opened and how many have been replied and such. So and so the 9 features which I was talking to you a while earlier, these are mentioned here. So you can see that all the 9 features are divided into 3 groups, which is one is import tools, second is sending tools, and the third one is list tools. So import tools are all the ways you can import your import emails or get emails, extract emails. The second one is sending tools and how you send them or how you design your email and the whole sending part of it. And the listing tool is about verifying the email addresses and editing the email addresses. You can add your own email addresses as well here on this aspect. So if I click on import email addresses, you will see that when I click on this, it shows you all the importing features. I'm clicking it again. So get in address from internet, import from local files, news groups, etc., etc. You can use any of those to get emails. I'll just as an example show you how you get the emails from email hunter. Meanwhile, I have already made a video on this, so more details you can find on the video, a dedicated video for on this feature. It's a fabulous one. Let me show you again. So once you click on it, it jumps to its email hunter module, which looks like this. I'm not going to go in the details because I've already made a video on this. I'll show you how to extract emails of editors of of guest blogs if you want to offer, if you want to be a guest blogger on their website. So for example, if you search with the keywords what write yeah, guest post write for us, this can be a keyword. So what it does, it searches all the pages existing on internet which has this string written on it, and try to get email addresses from there. Yeah, you'll see how it extracts. Now see the URLs, it has already started it. So the URLs processed and the URLs found, sorry, and the URL processed is this number, and it has already found 8. And if you keep it on for maybe an hour or so, it will find you hundreds of these kind of email IDs. So I'm gonna stop now and return to studio. So to go onto the main dashboard, you have to click on return to studio. It's stopping. Yeah, yeah. I'm still waiting. So once you return to this, you'll be able to find all the results. I'm going to the studio. Yeah, so yeah, and then it returns. So right now it has not extracted those emails, but when you are registered on the software, it will extract all the 8 emails. So this is how, and similarly, you can click here, files, and then you can import emails from your own desktop. So extract from a folder, extract from a file, just pretty simple, self-explanatory. I'm returning to the email. Now, after you have extracted emails, you would want to verify the email addresses, whether these email addresses are working or not. So for that, which is this exactly. So when you click on the verification, the dash, it goes to the verification module, and it looks like this. So these are the verification modules. If you are on the registered version, all those emails which you have extracted earlier will be listed here, and you will be able to do the verification. You have to click on start, and this is how it goes on. So it basically sends a test mail to all the email IDs and checks whether their inbox is working or not. Right now I'm going to stop it um, and back to studio. Yeah. So once you have verified the email address, you would want to edit the mail list. Now, when you click on the edit, it asks you whether you want to edit the main list, which you got from here, or you want to edit only the verified list. So you can choose the way you want. If you think that your main list and verified list is very different, then you should choose always verified list, because no point choosing the non-verified lists. So for now, I'm choosing the main list. This is how it looks like. So what you can do is you can just right click on it and edit the email addresses. If you think that there is something wrong or want to add or subtract something, you can edit it. You can also add a new email address. Add a new email address here. So this is how you can edit your email list. I'm I'm going to go back to the dashboard now. So now, since you have imported the emails and you have verified the emails and you have edited the emails as well, now is the time you create the newsletter or create your emails to send. And this is the most important part to be true of this whole package, because this is what you are here for, to send the emails. So it is now shifting to the newsletter dashboard. This is how the newsletter looks like to edit your email. So here you can just copy or delete and just write anything and do all those editings possible which you want, as you do in a regular HTML editor ribbon. So this is how you can, hi, this is a test mail, and then here I can write thanks Piyush. Yeah, so this becomes my test mail. However, if you want to send out emails which are pre-designed for maybe a Christmas offer, or a newsletter, or maybe a subscription letter, then you can click on here new, and you will find new using templates. So there are a lot of templates: Christmas Eve, emotion, dreams. There are so many um, templates which you can use, or a predefined template. So maybe if I just choose this, yeah, no. So yeah, you can see that this is a new email which has been populated. Here you can add your Facebook, your Twitter account, G plus, and all those things, even smileys you can add. Let me show you what these ribbons are for. So here you can test, you can save the template which you want. If you want to name it like, yeah, spring template, you can save it, and you can open it whenever you require. Um, for to check whether this email looks good or not, you can click on test, and you can send it to one of your email addresses, and see whether it's looking good or not. This is the send button, of course. This is schedule. You can schedule the mails as per you want. If you have email IDs for different countries, it's always better that you choose the working hours of that country to send an email. So this can be scheduled. This is the recipient to choose the list. You can divide your mail list in different sections and choose which list is associated with this template. You can blacklist some email IDs which you don't want to be sent to. This is SMTP wizard. This is interesting. Why? Because you can add your own email address with not add, but you can handshake your email address with this dashboard, how you do with Outlook, right? So when this dashboard sends emails, you can actually see the sent mails in your own email ID. Otherwise, if you don't sync your SMTP settings here, then you won't be able to see the sent mails. Only when somebody replies back to your mail will you be able to see the inbox. You won't be able to see send mails. So if you can update your SMTP server settings, then you can see the send mails as well. Oh, sorry. And then there are some more settings, again, SMTP and DNS proxy settings. If you want your mails to be not sent by one particular IP address, and you want the IP address to be continuously changed, then add your proxy settings here, proxy settings, and that will change the IP addresses. Yeah, pretty cool. In the tabs, you will see the same things which are already here. Cool. So you can see that all the functionalities of what do you want in an email campaign is already existing here, and this is a one complete package. The only missing point I find in this package is the autoresponders, but for autoresponders they have not included the autoresponders in this module, but they have as an extra software. They also have responders which you can check. I will also make a video on autoresponders after this video. So yeah, this was the email suite of in this software, which you can try, and this is pretty cool. I am using this already in my outreach programs, and I'm pretty cool with it. This has all the things which you want for a successful email campaigns. So yeah, hope you like this video, and subscribe our channel for new videos on various tools revolving around digital marketing, content making, and outreach. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.